In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online to PayPal. By the end, you'll have your PayPal activity flowing into QuickBooks, so you can keep sales, fees, and refunds organized without manual uploads. I'll walk you through each click and explain what you're seeing so it all makes sense. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company. On the left side menu, look for the section where you manage your books. This is where QuickBooks groups your accounts and bank feeds. Click on Accounting. This area is your hub for chart of accounts, reconciliations, and importantly, the connections to your bank and payment services. From there, locate the button to add a new connection and click on Link Account. This tells QuickBooks you want to connect an external financial service. When you click it, QuickBooks opens the connection window and brings up a search box with popular institutions and apps. In the search field, type PayPal. Take a moment to double check your spelling so QuickBooks can find the correct connector. If you use PayPal primarily for business, this is still the same connection. QuickBooks will bring in transactions from the PayPal account you authenticate. When the search results appear, click on PayPal. You'll see PayPal listed among the available connections. Selecting it confirms to QuickBooks which service you want to link. QuickBooks uses a secure connection to read your transactions, and it won't post anything to your PayPal account. Next, click on Continue. This begins the secure handshake between QuickBooks and PayPal. You may notice a brief loading screen while QuickBooks prepares the sign-in page. That's normal, just let it complete. Now, enter your PayPal account information. Use the same credentials you normally use for PayPal. If you have extra security on your PayPal account, you may be asked to verify your identity before the connection is confirmed. Once you're signed in, PayPal and QuickBooks establish the link so your recent activity can start flowing into your bank feed. After the connection completes, QuickBooks will begin pulling in transactions from PayPal. You'll see them appear in your banking or transactions area ready for review. This is where you can categorize sales, capture fees properly, and match transfers to your bank if you move funds from PayPal to your checking account. If you already have a PayPal account set up in your chart of accounts, QuickBooks will align the feed with it, otherwise it may create one for you. That's it. You clicked Accounting, chose Link Account, searched for PayPal, selected it, continued, and signed in. With the connection live, your PayPal activity will sync automatically, saving you time and keeping your books accurate.